Now I'd like to set up the project structure and add the API and the Blazor front end that I'm going to use. I'm going to add that to the solution, and I'm going to make sure that the Pi and the front end can connect to the API. So let's build that. Here I had the issue with the semantic highlighting as well, and that's because I created the Blazor WASM project, but I forgot to add it to the solution and build. So once I did that, it was working again. Now I'm deploying the Blazor project to the server. I'd like to set it up on my phone as a progressive web app and make sure that that's working. So let's do that now. Here I'm going to be working on the controller for the API endpoint for post and get, as well as adding the packages necessary for SQLite and Entity Framework Core. Now I'm going to implement the service that's going to start up with the application. It's going to open up the GPS port, get the GPS position, and then send it via HTTP. And it's going to just keep doing that over and over. For now, I'm just going to put it for 30 seconds. To include what we have so far on the Raspberry Pi, here on the entry of our program, we set up a couple things and we register the GPS collection service, which is going to start as a background service. It's going to open up the GPS, it's going to open up the port, the GPS reader, parse through it, get the position, then send it via HTTP to our API. Our API is going to have the post and get method set up. And on the client, we have the map container as well as a quick check method so that I can just check and see how, now that it is deployed so I can connect to it, it is working. So this will be the end for this video. And then on the next video, we'll be setting everything up with the Raspberry Pi, installing it in the vehicle, and everything should work.